Hello friends, welcome to our channel IIT and Maths Space. Today we are discussing number system. What is the number system we are discussing? Then let's start. What is the natural number? Natural numbers are what is the definition of natural number? Natural numbers are the counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called natural number. And whole number, if we are include 0 in natural number, then it is said to be whole number. And after that, integer, all natural number, 0 and negative counting number means minus plus n. Natural number is denoted by n, then plus n is natural number. If we are included 0 and minus n also, then it is called integer. Positive integer, we can see here positive integer 1, 2, 3, 4 are the positive integer, and if we are taking negative with negative sign, then it is called negative integer. And what is the what is the real number? Then all number can be represented by on the number line called real number. Every real number can be approximately replaced with the terminating decimal, and every real number can be represented by a line, we can see here. And we can see then if we summarize, then the smallest is natural number, and if we include 0, then it is called whole number. And if we are taking natural number including 0 and with negative numbers also, then it is called integer. And superset of integer is q, rational number, and here something q complement, and whole is called included rational number, and irrational number are called a real number. And the biggest is complex number. Then we will stop here, and thank you.